Hello everyone. So I've got a Plaid unboxing. So Plaid, you can sign up if you're any type of creator. It doesn't just have to be YouTube. It could be, I think, you know, Facebook, Instagram. Also, I believe teachers. If I can find it, I'll add the link to where you can go. And Plaid is kind in sending you free products so that you can make your items, which I think is so cool. I don't know how they do it, but they do it, and you can continue to order free items. So anyway, I ordered some items from Plaid. So I thought I would share with you what I got from them. All right, so I got, oh, this is pretty. Some of these colors I believe are new in their new line, and this might be one of them, but this is called Barcelona Beige. That looks pretty. I wanted to get, I'm so happy because I needed white paint really bad, and I've used this before. This is their home decor chalk, white I can't say that word, whatever. But it's pretty, and they sent me, look at that. They sent me this huge thing of it. I mean, it's unbelievable what you can get. I got this brush. It's a wide brush, so it's good for covering large areas. And I'm curious to see how well their brushes work, or like this type of brush works for them. So I was excited about that. I also got, what is this? A brush basin. I don't remember getting this, but okay, there you go. So you can put your brushes in and clean them, I guess. I don't know. I don't remember ordering that. I really don't. But I do remember ordering this. This is the, it's acrylic paint, not chalk paint. But here are the colors. I thought they were really pretty. So you've got the wicker white, sunflower, sorry, I'm having a hard time reading this, forest moss, medium gray, ooh, that's pretty, hometowns, boy, it's really small, I'm sorry. But anyway, you can kind of see the colors there and on top. So yeah, I thought those were some good neutral colors, actually. I thought those would be good. And then I got, this is called Milk Jug. So it's a little bit, it's not, it looks really white, but it's more of, it's not ivory and it's not white. It's kind of in between. I wonder if it's similar to Plaster by Waverly. I'll have to kind of test that out. And then they've got this Terracotta line, which I was excited about. This one's called Sea Stone, and this one's Cavern Moss. Very pretty, but the line is called Terracotta. And just to, let's see, indoor, outdoor. I was seeing if it's just acrylic. I believe it is. It's lightly textured acrylic paint to create terracotta texture. That's going to be fun to use. Now, also just a tip, you can always mix acrylic paint with baking soda, mix it up. It'll give you really good texture. I have a video, I'll try to link it, of where I did just very inexpensive. I don't remember if they were Dollar Tree vases or what, but made it really look like stone. I'll link that. This one I'm excited about. This is their nautical color. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm really excited to try this color. What else did we get? All right. Oh, yay. I like their paint brushes, so I got some more paint brushes. And I got, this is Dragonfly Glaze. It's a blue-green gold shift. This is kind of cool. I'll read it to you. Premium color shifting top coat with a glossy iridescent finish. Use over light and dark base colors to create multicolor shifting effect. And the shifting effect I got was the blue, green, gold. Look, that's gonna be really cool. So definitely we'll be doing something with that to show you guys, so stay tuned. And then here's another terracotta. This is Sea Frost. This one's gonna be really pretty. It's kind of a white, hint of gray maybe. I don't know, it's hard to tell, but we'll see when we try it. And then I was really excited about this. My absolute favorite gold color is the Folk Art Treasure Gold. I'm telling you, I love that color. So this one came with, here we go. We got the Rose Gold, which I have not tried. The gold is my favorite. Majestic Gold and Platinum. So I'm really, really excited about this. It's their Treasure Gold line. And this is, I believe, acrylic. I'm almost positive. Metallic luster. I'm pretty sure it is, but yeah. But it is so pretty. All right, I got some more wider, a little bit wider brushes. Again, I love their brushes. I absolutely love them. And look what I got. I got a hot knife. So excited. I may have to use it today. So the reason I got this, the main reason, although you could do a lot of things with it, but you know when you get the foam board from Dollar Tree, every time I try to use an X-Acto, it's just so raggedy, rough. I'm not good at it. This hot knife, I think, is going to make real smooth cuts in the foam board. However, it looks like you can use it on a lot of things. It can cause severe burns, so please be very, very careful. Place it on the stand when not in use. So there's a little stand that comes with it. Okay, use pliers to screw a point onto the tip of the tool. It may take several minutes for it to heat. Practice a new technique on a sample piece. That's a good tip. When using, hold the tool as you would normally hold a pencil. When finished using, okay, blah, blah, blah. So, oh, here we go, sorry. Wax, soap, oh, that's kind of cool, wax and soap. Fabric, wow, fabric. Paracord, don't know what paracord is. Somebody leave a comment and tell me what that is. Foam core board, that's why I wanted it, and like foam pumpkins, but really foam anything. So I'm excited about this. I will try to do like an unboxing of this and a tutorial, and let's see what we can do. We'll have some fun with that. All right, so again, thank you so much to Plaid. I mean, how amazing is that? So I'm telling you guys, check it out. If you're a creator, again, if you post on Instagram, if you know, maybe you're part of like a face group page, if you're a teacher, so and there may even be more, I don't know, but they're very, very generous with their products. And Folk Art is a line that I really, really like. Now, Plaid used to do Waverly. I think they discontinued that, but I do like the Folk Art line a lot. So, and I think they have some other lines. Well, they do Apple Barrel. Plus, Plaid also sells like wood rounds, and they sell a bunch of different things. Like if you go to Walmart, you'll notice the Plaid logo on all kinds of things. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I appreciate you watching. If you are new to my channel, I love doing all different kinds of DIYs. Shabby chic, farmhouse, rustic, thrift flips are my favorite. So stay tuned. I have a lot of content for you. 2022, I'm really trying to, you know, beef it up and bring more stuff to you. And if you don't mind, give me a like, because that does help, not only help my channel, but it helps others see this video in case they're interested. So thank you again, and I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.